Let me see. I'm struggling to get an entry-level DevOps job. Any suggestion? Okay, yeah. So there's so many suggestions that I can give here, um, and this is hard. But it's also depending on where you are, right? And if you are located in the US, then generally in the US they have a bit of a different attitude. So here in in Europe and in the Netherlands, there is such a thing as an entry level DevOps job. There is such a thing as a junior DevOps job. That's how I got started as well. But in the US, it's more seen as a more senior position actually, and I think that's complete gatekeeping bullshit. I don't think that's correct at all. There's definitely tasks that a junior DevOps can do that the seniors don't want to do. There's still lots of manual toil and things that more junior people could pick up. However, if the market is like that, then that's like that's how it is. So in general, what I recommend is if you're struggling to get an entry level DevOps job, then either try to get an entry level sysadmin job, and I would say getting an operations job is a great stepping stone towards get growing towards DevOps. Or secondly, get a junior dev job, a software engineering job. However, that might be even harder than getting a DevOps job, depending on the market where you are. So those are two things that I generally recommend. And then, of course, in KubeCraft, we have the internship and we have the projects and we have so many more things that actually, like the whole KubeCraft Career Accelerator is actually designed to help you as a junior land your first job, because that's what I did. I was a nurse. Uh, I had spent 2 years in a monastery, and I had the worst CV possible. Basically, I was in the worst position that was possible, but I did it, and I figured out a few ways to do this, and that's what I teach in my course. So hopefully this helps.